The first time we tried this, we had the beam current way too high, so when we fired the X-ray, whoosh, everything went white and the whole chamber did a hard manual reset. Which, while hilarious, isn't very insightful. So we turned the filament down a bit so we could get a comparative dribble of X-rays. Now remember, we can't see the rays themselves, but when the tube is on, the smoke becomes a roiling mess of electrons being ejected from countless atoms. But you'll notice something interesting. All the debris seems to be moving in the same direction the beam is aimed. This caught me completely by surprise, but it actually makes perfect sense. While it's a little weird to think of light having mass or momentum, photons do carry momentum and transfer it to whatever they hit. We're seeing a literal demonstration of this, as the X-rays don't just send debris flying. Like billiard balls smacking into each other, the direction the light is coming from matters.